Prior to filming, I applied my foundation, so I'm starting off here with my eyebrows. Using a cream eyeliner, I get the general shape of my brows and slowly build up the front, leaving the arch and tail thin. I fix any mistakes and clean up the shape with my concealer brush. To soften the front of my brows, I brush through with a spoolie so the color isn't too harsh. Here comes the fun part. Using a green eyeshadow and an angled brush, I fill in the first half of my brows to set the cream eyeliner. I use a lighter hand towards the middle of my brows and fill in the second half with a dark black eyeshadow, blending the two colors together to get a nice gradient. Moving on to eyeshadow, I start with a light gray color, keeping this focused on the inner half of my eye. This will keep the eye open and bright when we put the darker colors on later. I take my contour and sweep that in the crease as a transition. Using the same brush, I take a dark smoky gray and place that on top of my contour. I take some time blending this color out, using back and forth motions. It helps to use the light hand here and take your time to blend everything out until it looks the way you want it. With a smaller blending brush, I put a black eyeshadow on my outer corner and a bit in my crease. Once the color is placed, I return to the large brush we just used to blend this out. Again, take it slow and take your time until you get everything blended properly. Using my finger to get a better payoff, I take the green eyeshadow I used on my brows and tap on the outer corner of my eye. I take the black eyeshadow on a pencil brush and line my lower lash line, adding black eyeliner to my upper and lower waterline and smudging the two together. Nearing my eyebrows, I am taking a green liquid eyeliner and lining the first half of my eye. Using black, I finish my liner and add a wing. I pop some mascara on my upper and lower lashes, and then add some falsies to finish up the eye. Here you can see I missed the landing and some of the glue got on my lid. This is an easy fix. Just take a Q-tip with a little makeup remover and clean away the smudge quickly before it can dry. Touch up the shadow and eyeliner underneath and you're good. I contour around my face. Highlighting the high points with a fan brush for large areas. And a detail brush for smaller ones. For my lips, I outline them first, taking care to get the shape just right, and slowly fill them in. The last step is to spray my face with a setting spray so the makeup will last all day.